You'll have love at first sight with the 2018 Lincoln MKC. With less than 35,000 miles on the performance, luxury, versatility. That's what this sleek MKC delivers. From its connected tech to its premium amenities to its alluring style, this compact SUV is poised to infuse every drive with inspiration. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power passenger seat, satellite radio, power liftgate, keyless start, multi-zone AC, Wi-Fi hotspot. Elevate your daily drive in this quiet, powerful MKC. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.